Menteri Rangba Jylla Konrad Kesangma Ula Ong Jylla Meghalaya kala Thaw ya State Committee Banwanra Jingpun kala ya kyndon dewiong kiba nyarap ya kinongti bat kitrai jong kipa dewiong berit. Konrad Ula Ong baya ketika panel la Thaw hadin kejing kendu jong bat kekul ministry ke Sorkar pedeng ban pelaj ya kyndon balabu ya kajaka ka bahe hadu shispa hector.
This is as a follow-up to the meeting I had with Honorable Minister and Secretary and Additional Secretary. And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining. And the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed, and there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner.